Alright, what's up guys? On today's video, I'm gonna Mr. Rogers it. Boom! No, I'm joking. That's my attempt at a joke. Not supposed to be fun. We're gonna go out here and check on the pineapple plants. It's day 50 on that. I'll probably make a separate short. I will probably make a separate short about that also. But what we're going to do is, my ride lawnmower has a flat tire. We're going to attempt to take that off, take it up to Walmart and fix it. I'll show you how to fix it without paying 20 bucks to do it. I'll fix it myself. Yeah, so that's what today's video is. We'll go out here and look at these pineapple plants real quick. The pumpkins. It's been cold the last couple nights. Not freezing, but cold, you know. They're doing great. Plenty of new growth on both of them. So that's pretty cool. I built that fence. I didn't film it, but I built it. Not that line right there. And then Hurricane Sally came and knocked it down, and I fixed it. It was knocked over, and I fixed it. And I didn't video that stuff. Sorry. And I think since it's fall, I'm gonna start a garden, man. I'm either gonna put it over there or over there, and then I'm gonna put those in the ground. I think I'm gonna wait till like March to do that. So the garden videos might slow down for a little bit. I might try to start not slow down, but everything might be in pots at first. You staying out here? Yeah? Okay. He'll get up. Awesome. No, he's just gonna sit there. Okay. So here's today's mission after this small intro of playing around, showing y'all some stuff. Just garage light left on. Gotta love it. So it's the Craftsman YS 4500 is what it is. And later we're going to change the oil on it. And we're going to take the blades off and sharpen them. So those would be different videos. There's the tire, and I've already jacked it up. Now what you want to do is you want to find something solid to jack up on. Oh, I thought this was going to be a lot different. I thought it was going to have small lugs or something, but it doesn't. So we're going to take that cap off, and under that cap should be like a C-pin, a washer, and that's what we're going to do. That's the first step. Plastic. Not all of them are plastic like that. Okay. If you have the right tools, you won't be going through the pains that I'm going through. Yay. See, and you're bound and determined to do stupid stuff. If you're me, I drop this on your shoe and stuff. So there's a C-clamp. Alright. Washer. I'll get this up out the dirt. And the tire should come right off. Okay, we got the tire off. And now we are about to, first thing you gotta do before you go to Walmart is you gotta put Puppins up. Come on, Puppins. Go to your room. See, if you have a dog that's perfectly trained to listen to you, oh shoot, an open door. There you go, Puppins. Okay, so the reason you want to wash your hands is because when you're on the way to Walmart in your 2014 Honda Civic Mugen, you don't really want to get grease everywhere, you know what I mean? So that's exactly why we wash the grease off our hands, bro. You know? Oopsie, I locked it. Okay. So, put your tire in your back, in your trunk, and try not to mess up your speakers. To the cold. Invested in studio time. That is. Hey man, open that door for me so I can use y'all's tub. I gotta use y'all's water tub, yeah. Okay. Said the door's unlocked. You can lift it up yourself. Stick to the code. $25. Tub's empty. Gotta do it all on my own. What's up? Trying to fix a flat tire and videoing it. Say what's up? What up? Yeah, it's gonna be like. I gotta go in there and I gotta plug it. It's a lawnmower tire. So I gotta fix it myself or buy a new one. Tell them, so you cannot fix lawnmower tires at Walmart or anywhere else.
Fix lawnmower tires at Walmart.
That's right, you gotta do it yourself. So, gotta find a leak, brother. I hear it. Is it the, tell me it's the...
Right there.
Where is it at?
It's right here.
You got the chop?
Hang on.
Right there. I don't see nothing now. I gotta go in and get a plug kit. Like normally, they probably won't help you if you go to Walmart. But plugs are, I'll find them. Right here.
On the left, you'll see the big slime section to the left where the tire was.
Okay. So what you want to do? So like I was saying, they might not help you. You know what I'm saying? So all we need's a kit, and there's all kinds of kits, so you can get the one you want. These handles are the best because you can put some pressure bar on it. So I'm gonna get that one, $5. Okay. You're a beautiful man. It's good. I got it.
But that's where the hole was.
You got the pliers?
I got wires, I got whatever you need. I got wire cutters.
Normally that's used to widen the hole, but we got a screw in there. I mean, no, we're gonna try to do it without widening it.
There's those, you want the regular pliers.
If I can even get in that thing.
What are you doing, Dr. Henry?
Show people how to fix the flat tire. Because you know you can't fix these. You're not supposed to fix them.
Yeah, I know.
So I'm showing people how to do it themselves.
We can't touch it.
Yeah.
We can't touch it anyway. It's too small.
Right. That's why. I'm showing people how to do it, and it's like less than about $6.
We can't even mount it.
Yeah. He can't touch it. But I can. Get about halfway in. Alright. I'm gonna have to make it wider probably. That easy. You can cut that off if you want to. It is not necessary. Shit. Okay, so it didn't just have a hole in it. It's leaking outside the damn rim. I'm about to talk to him and be back. Hold on a second. But we fixed the hole.
Oh, man.
Really? Yeah, I heard about that. So it's coming out the rim. What my friend Weiler is going to do, since he's such a nice guy, is he's going to clean that rim off for me. And that shouldn't be an issue for y'all. But if it is, then you're gonna be SOL, because they don't really work on these things. But the hole that was in it did get plugged. We did it for less than $6. And I'm going to do this as extra footage just to let y'all see it. See, it looks pretty clear in there. Really. What you think? Some bead seal? So we're gonna throw a bead seal on there. Is it over here? I'll grab it.
Yeah.
So what you need is some bead seal. Y'all probably won't have to deal with that. There's no reason you should have to deal with it, because it did get round flat, but otherwise you will have to do something similar to this. It's gonna be a good video, Weiler. You're gonna be famous. So you see that grass in there and stuff? That's probably not good. Pan it out real good with the air hose. The bead seal. Should pop right back on there.
Yeah.
You gonna go like you coming?
There's the issue right there.
What's that? Yeah, you ain't supposed to do that. Just like you ain't supposed to do this. So now, no leaky. How's the other side look?
Looks good.
And that's how you do it. Like I said, unless you drive on it like I did flat, you shouldn't get dirt up into the rim and it shouldn't do that. But it looks good.
No leak.
Looks great. No leaks. No leak there.
Nope.
You're good. Throw in that cart. Woo. Here you go. Just for double checking purposes. I trust Wilder to death. So he's gonna cut that off for me. So I was kind of lucky in the fact that, you know, I worked there before. Because you might go to another Walmart and they might not, like, once I found out it was leaking from the rim too, that was bad, but they hooked it up. And if you buy a kit from Walmart, they may help you too if you run into that kind of issue. So just keep that in, or any other place. Other places will just work on it because why not? They just don't turn away money. You know what I mean? Walmart's a little bit different because they have the insurance they have and all that stuff. You know what? I think I'm gonna put that in there with them speakers this time. I'm sorry if I'm so close.
Them niggas and you try to sleep with two masters. You let them gas you. They convince you to...
So that's basically it, man. I'm gonna go back and put the tire back on. I don't know if I'll have like a scene driving it or nothing like that, but I'll put it on the ground and everything. It still costs less than $6. Let's go back. Well, I didn't look while we were there, but right here it says fill to 14. So it's a little over. I might let some air out. I want the valve stood outwards. Then washer. C-clamp. C-clamp back on. I might want to put more grease on there. Okay.
That's really gonna be the fucking shittiest part. There we go.
Fixed. $6.47. Now, if you have to buy bead seal, then I don't know, 10, 11, 12 bucks. I got lucky, Weiler. I mean, so that way, I mean, just for the camera, so I can hold it, so y'all can see some of this. Hopefully, y'all, this video isn't. Hopefully, the video's good as far as that goes. Luckily, we had Weiler there, so I can hold the camera. So that's it, man. If y'all have any questions, comment. If I did something stupid, comment. Like, subscribe, don't. Whatever. Alright. Later.